So there was a green revolution. Dr. Swaminathan took the charge of that, and the green revolution has come into this country. Food production has gone up, and the scientists could stood for the test. And subsequently, later on, then regarding the malnutrition, when the issue of the malnutrition has come, there was a call for the scientists, and then the white revolution has come in this country, and milk production has gone up, and that issue has been solved. And when the China attacked India, and the people were not very serious of the defense, but at that time they realized that India is very backward in defense and arm production, therefore they wanted to concentrate on that. That is the result, the missile technology has been developed. Therefore, every time, given an opportunity, when the necessity comes, Indian scientists responded to the call of the nation. Therefore, we cannot simply say that the science is declining now. If science is declining, technology is improving. It is a vice versa situation. The main reason for the decline of science education is because we are not able to conduct the practicals at the school level. Most of the students are not aware of the practical education. Simply they are studying there and going into the engineering stream or some other stream. My experience as a teacher, I was examining some of the students at University Engineering College, Usmania University Engineering College, where the top cream of the students who got to the entrance examination will join there. And most of them, they have come from the corporate colleges, and they said they never did practicals at intermediate level. When we were conducting practicals at the engineering level, they said, they never attended the practical classes. Absolutely, they were not aware what practicals are. That was the situation. Similarly, in most of the schools, 90% of the schools, the situation is the same. Even at undergraduate level, I am very sorry to say, being the Vice Chancellor, that most of the colleges are not conducting the practicals. Therefore, the problem is when they come for postgraduate level, they will lose their interest because they don't understand what exactly is going on there, what kind of practicals they will be doing. In my university, when I faced the students of physics, we introduced the non-conventional energy and electronics at the MSc level. When I was talking to the students, when I was lecturing to the students in first class, I really got shocked because the standards were very low. Neither they are very good at theoretical subjects nor at the practicals. They have absolutely no practical knowledge. Therefore, I advised our faculty that first of all, for the first semester, let us concentrate more, take extra classes, see that at least the students will come to a level of intermediate, then we can start teaching them something. That's what we did, and that experiment was successful, and most of the time they were asked to go for the laboratory and do the experiments, and because of that they got interest. Now they are doing a wonderful job at the final semester of their course. Therefore, a lot of emphasis should be given to the practical training. Therefore, in the last few meetings also we discussed, and AP Academy of Sciences should start a scheme whereupon we can have the number of mobile vans fitted with the scientific equipment will visit the villages or the schools or the colleges at the remote places, so that the students will access the laboratories, because most of the schools and colleges are not having that kind of a laboratory. If that can be done, really I think we will be doing a immense service to the nation in building up the science and technology in this country. With this, once again I thank Professor D.N. Reddy for his contribution, for his nice talk for half an hour, enlightening us and telling us that there is no basic difference between the science and technology. If science is declining, technology is increasing, and someday again the science will take off, provided if we train our students properly at the school level. Thank you very much.